Good morning, welcome back. Today we will see multiple choice question on unit number 6, total quality management. Question number 1, what is total quality management? Options are: option A, it refers to management methods used to enhance quality productivity in business organization. Option B, it identifies need of customer. Option C, both A and B. Option D, none of the above. So correct answer is option C, that is both A and B. So total quality management program is used to enhance the quality, enhance the productivity, and both are aimed to satisfy the need of customer. So that is what total quality management, TQM. Question number 2, principle of TQM, that is total quality management. Options are: option A, it is customer focused. Option B, total employee involvement is there. Option C, it is process centered. Option D, all of the above. So total answer is option D, that is all of the above. As in the first question we have seen that TQM is for the customer satisfaction, so that is why it is customer focused. So quality can be enhanced unless and until there will be employee involvement. So total employee involvement should be there, and it should be process centered. So option D, that is all of the above. Question number 3, what is Kaizen? So option A, improvement. Option B, benchmark. Option C, quality circle. Option D, none of the above. So correct answer is improvement. Kai means change and Gen means change for better. So option A, that is improvement. Kaizen means improvement, continuous improvement. Question number 4, what is quality function deployment? That is QFD. Option A, it is used to carry the voice of customer through design and production process. Option B, it is customer driven planning process. Option C, it focuses on customer want. Option D, all of the above. So correct answer is option D, that is all of the above. That is QFD, quality function deployment. So in a design stage, we can satisfy the want of customer. So after manufacturing of component, there will be less complaint of customer about that product. So need of customer and the want of customer, we must focus at quality function deployment. So option D is correct. Question number 5, what is total quality maintenance? That is TPM. Option A, it is a maintenance program which involves maintaining plants and equipments. Option B, it maintain optimum equipment conditions. Option C, both A and B. Option D, none of the above. So correct answer is option C, that is both A and B. Total productive maintenance, that is related to maintenance activity. It involves maintaining plants and equipments. So it maintains optimum equipment conditions. So option C, both A and B is correct. Question number 6, what is mistake foolproofing? Mistake foolproofing is an example of what? Option A, Poka-yoke. Option B, Six Sigma. Option C, Kanban. Option D, 5S. So correct answer is option A, that is Poka-yoke. Poka-yoke means mistake foolproofing. So option A is correct. Question number 7, what is 5S? Option A, it is a system to reduce the waste and optimize productivity. Option B, it increases consistency at work. Option C, it increases quality. Option D, all of the above. So correct answer is option D, that is all of the above. So 5 year system is used to reduce the waste, reduce the scrap, and enhance the productivity. So with the help of 5 years, one can increase the consistency of work. Because of that, quality also increases. So option D, all of the above. Correct answer is option D. Question number 8, what is Kanban? Option A, it is a visual signal that is used to trigger an action. Option B, it means card you can see. Option C, it is best for running a production system. Option D, all of the above. So correct answer is option D, that is all of the above. Kanban means it is a visual signal and that is used to trigger an action. So according to signal, the production happens. That is related with an JIT. So option D, all of the above. Question number 9, what is just in time? Option A, used to reduce flow time within production. Option B, it works on demand pull basis. Option C, it reduces inventory. Option D, all of the above. So correct answer is option D, that is all of the above. JIT means just in time. It is used when it is used to reduce flow time within production. It works on demand pull basis and it reduces inventory. So option A is uh, with respect to demand, it works actually, and because of that there will be very less inventory. So that is why option D, all of the above, is correct. Question number 10, what is ISO 9000 series? Option A, designed to help organization to ensure that they meet the needs of customer and stakeholders. Option B, it focuses on customer satisfaction. Option C, system approach to the process and management. Option D, all of the above. So correct answer is option D, that is all of the above. Question number 11, what is ISO 14000? Option A, it is a family of standards related to environment management. Option B, minimize how their operations negatively affect the environment. Option C, both A and B. Option D, none of the above. So correct answer is option C, that is both A and B. So basically ISO 14000, it is related to an environment and its care. So option C, both A and B. Question number 12, what is ISO TS 16949? It is related to an audit. Option A, it is an ISO technical specification aimed at developing a quality management system that provides for a continual improvement. Option B, it was prepared by IATF, International Automotive Task Force. Option C, it applies to the design, production and serving of automotive related products. Option D, all of the above. So correct answer is option D, that is all of the above. So ISO TS is generally technical, ISO technical specification aimed at developing quality management system that provides continual improvement. Question number 13, advantages of ISO registration. If one can register his company under ISO, so what are the benefit he will get? Option A, it increases marketability. Option B, reduces operational expenses. Option C, provide better management tool. Option D, all of the above. So correct answer is option D, all of the above. If we get an registration of ISO, so one can easily trust on his company, so market increases, operational expenses also decreases because of use of standardization, and it provides a better management control. If we use a control tool, so it will provide a better management. So option D, all of the above. Question number 14, what is quality audit? Option A, it is a systematic examination of quality system carried out by an internal or external quality auditor or an audit team. Option B, it is key element in ISO. Option C, it focuses on customer needs satisfaction. Option D, all of the above. So correct answer is option D, that is all of the above. So quality audit is generally is an examination of what work is going on in an industry or the particular shop floor, that is by internal or external, with respect to the elements of ISO. So option D, all of the above. Question number 15, factors affecting quality. Option A, money and material. Option B, management and manpower. Option C, market and machines. Option D, all of the above. So correct answer is option D, that is all of the above. So quality is depends on money and material. If material changes, if money varies, it will directly affect on the quality. Management and manpower, if management is not proper and if manpower is not available, or if we don't have a skilled manpower, in such case also the quality affects. Market and machineries, if the product we are manufacturing without taking care of market, what market actually want, so in such a case market affect the quality. And machines, if we have not using appropriate machineries, in such case also the quality of that product varies or affects. So option D, that is all of the above. Question number 16, what is failure mode effect critically analysis? That is FMECA. What is FMECA? So options are given: failure mode effect and critically analysis. Option B, failure methods, effects and critically analysis. Option C, failure mean effect and critically analysis. Option D, failure material effect and critically analysis. So as you all know that the correct option is option A, that is failure mode effect and critically analysis, that is FMECA. Question number 17. What are the elements of FMECA, that is failure mode effect critically analysis? Option A, item and function. Option B, requirement and failure mode. Option C, effect, cause, risk and action. Option D, all of the above. So correct answer is option D, that is all of the above. So these are the elements of failure mode effect critically analysis, that is FMECA. Question number 18. What is zero defects? Option A, it is a management lead program that lead to elimination of defects in industrial production. Option B, it is credited to Philip and Crosby. Option C, it is applicable to any type of enterprise. Option D, all of the above. So correct answer is option D, that is all of the above. It is a management tool that aims to eliminate defects in an industry. Question number 19. What is Six Sigma? Option A, it is used to improve quality of output. Option B, according to it, 3.4 features per million opportunities. Option C, it tells that how process is going on. Option D, all of the above. So correct answer is option D, that is all of the above. 6 into sigma, that is sigma means standard deviation. And according to him, if the components are manufactured in millions, so only 3.4 defective components are expected if we follow Six Sigma. So that is what Six Sigma. So option D, all of the above. Question number 20. What is DMAIC? DMAIC. Option A, it is a data-driven quality strategy used to improve process. Option B, it is used for improving existing process. Option C, DMAIC means define, measure, analyze, improve and control. Option D, all of the above. So correct answer is option D, that is all of the above.